girl is blonde. Like blondes have more fun. Like blonde hair on melanin is like bomb. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this 1B/613 unit that I got from Megalook Hair. I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below. So I wore this hair for my birthday a couple weeks ago, so I'm going to be showing you how I reinstalled and styled it. And this hair, I actually toned the hair using purple shampoo and my Revion dye in medium ash blonde, and that was a whole catastrophe, you guys, because I actually overtoned the hair, so I had to go back and bleach it over. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process because it was more on the yellow side, so I just had to tone it down a bit. So if you are interested to see how I installed and styled this unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from a Megalook Hair company, Your Hair Your Glory. They sent me over their 12-inch Bob 1B/613 wig in the density 150%. I also received some goodies, a pair of stocking cap, a headband. I also received this cute little jewelry, some eyelashes, some clips, an edge brush, and a pair of tweezers. They also sent a thank you card along with the hair care instructions and a little pamphlet about Megalook Hair Company. So a bit about the cap construction of this wig. This unit is a 150% density unit. It came pre-plucked, as you guys could see. This unit has 2 combs to the sides, 1 in the middle and 1 to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps, so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. So I went ahead to bleach the knot on the wig using my BW2 and my developer. So after that, I ended up toning the hair with my Shimmerlite shampoo, and as you guys can see, this is how the knot on the wig looked. It was a little bit over bleached, but I went in to color correct it with some black dye. So now I'm just dipping the wig in the purple shampoo, and I'm just going to leave it for a while. I'm just putting it in and taking it out to make sure all of the hair gets the shampoo on it, and I'm just going to leave that in the water for about half an hour and let it sit for a while. So after about 25 minutes to half an hour, I am just brushing out the purple shampoo to make sure all of the strands on the wig get the shampoo. So I'm just gonna wash that out. So now I'm going in with my Revion hair dye. I got this in medium ash blonde. I wanted the wig to be on the ash blonde side. So the mistake that I made, which I want you guys to prevent, is don't leave this dye on for very long because it would actually overtone the hair. That is what happened to my wig, and as you guys can see, it's more on the silver side and I wanted it more on the ash blonde side. So go back to my beauty supply store to get 2 other box dye to color correct it to get it back to the blonde I wanted. I actually used honey blonde and light blonde. So onto the installation process. So I actually ended up having to record this video like about 2 o'clock in the morning for my birthday, so I actually didn't get all the footage that I needed, but this is actually how the wig looked. I didn't pluck it or anything, I just applied it as is, and I actually dyed the roots a little bit darker using my black dye. So I'm just going to show you how I installed it. Now I'm going in with my Super Stay foundation to put in the knot of this unit before I apply it. So because I didn't get enough footage the first time I installed it, I'm just going to reinstall it to show you guys what I did. So I'm going to be taking my rubbing alcohol to clean off any sort of extra makeup before I apply the glue. I'm just taking some powder to mark out the areas in which I'm going to be laying my glue. So the glue that I'm going to be using today is my bolt hole hold active glue. I'm going to be using 2 layers of the glue today. I'm going to apply the layers in dots, and then I'm just going to brush that out with the end of my comb. And after the glue is tacky, I'm going in with a second layer of the glue, and I'm just going to repeat the same process as I did before. And then I'm going in with my blow dryer to make sure the glue is tacky before I start to push the lace into the glue. So in areas in which the glue wasn't laid properly, I'm just going in with the end of my rat tail comb just to perfect all those areas. And after, I'm going in with my Got To Be Blast Freeze Spray just to set all the areas to the front of the lace. So after that, I tie down my hair with my elastic band for a bit, about like a half an hour. I am just going to show you guys how the lace is melted. So I'm going in with my wax stick from Wig Dealer, and then I'm going over that with my hot comb that I also got from Wig Dealer. So after I finish using my thermal hot comb, I'm going in with my powder just to perfect the parting area of this wig and also to the front area as well. So now I'm going to be taking my flat iron just to flat iron out this unit a bit. I also use some of my oil protective sheen on this unit as well, and that was basically all I did to achieve this install. And to set everything, I'm just going back in with my Got To Be Blast Freeze Spray, and that's the end result of my install, you guys. So your girl is blonde. Like, blondes have more fun. Like, yeah, guys, this is the end result. Look, like, this is my first time going blonde and I'm loving it. This unit is from Megalook Hair. I got this unit a while back, so I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below. I wore this for my birthday and I got so much compliments, you guys. Like, it was just a quick and easy install. I didn't do any baby hairs because I wasn't really feeling it, and on my birthday I was really in a hurry. I finished my hair like 4 in the morning so I had to reinstall it for you guys to show you exactly what I did. Like, blonde hair on melanin, girls, and blonde on melanin is like bomb, because you can't tell me that this blonde hair isn't giving you life, you guys. Like, it's cute. Your girl is blonde. Like I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do.